Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to easily access and display the junk spam folder in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. Look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and then click on Labels. Step 4. In the Labels settings, you'll find the Spam label. Pay attention to the options next to it. Show, Hide, and Show if unread. Step 5. To display the spam folder, simply click on the Show option, which is highlighted in blue text. Step 6. Now, return to your inbox or email view, and you'll notice that the spam label is now visible on the left column. By showing the junk spam folder, you can easily identify and manage unwanted or suspicious emails, ensuring a cleaner and more organized inbox. That's it. You've successfully learned how to show the junk spam folder in Gmail on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.